We are at 1510 Field Brook. This property is in an age-restricted community which has a clubhouse and all the amenities that go with it.
This is a single-story, 2-bed, 2-bath townhome, which is actually very rare here in Las Vegas.
What I love about this property is this open concept kitchen. It goes right into the living room. So we're gonna go ahead and take you right in so you can see the whole property. I hope you love this property, especially with this upgraded kitchen right behind us in this community is very rare, and the beautiful landscaping outside.
This home is located in an HOA, which includes the clubhouse. And inside of the clubhouse, the many amenities include basketball, pool, fitness center, and a lot of different activities, including community golf.
Exactly. So there's a lot to do here in the Sun City community area. Let's go ahead and recap. This property has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and a beautiful kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know more, leave us a message down below. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.